Okay, I'm going to try to recreate this cute little lid in these colors, which was photoshopped by me back when I was trying to just fill in some colored areas for my prints. So today I just spotted this in the cupboard on top of the little jar, and decided that I wanted to do a pour in these colors because this right here reminded me of Show Pony. So I've got my colors here ready. This is actually a custom plum made from Liquitex Deep Violet and Carbon Black. TLP Honeycomb, TLP Show Pony, Golden Teal, Matisse Magenta, and I'm not sure which brand this is, but I think it's a Cadmium Yellow Light. So here's the inspo. Let's see how we go. I think I'm going to do the block colors on each side and try to blow a bloom through the middle, or maybe a vine or something similar to that. So let's see how we go. Enjoy. All right, guys, the sides are all taped up, and I'll probably just let the paint get on here, and I'll probably just sand it off later because, I try to cover this part. I end up wasting a lot of materials, and I still usually get paint underneath there. So this will be sanded afterwards. I want to have the nice timber edge, so I've left that taped, and here we go. Did I just forget the pillow? I just forgot the pillow. Rusty, to admit that. I don't love it, but I'll have another go because I do love the colors. I just kind of messed up a little bit. But But I still do like the idea of that. Okay, so so I missed the mark a little bit. I realized what I did wrong, so I should have put the yellow together with the rest of the paint that I was going to blow. But all in all, I'm actually pretty happy with the color match. Just the composition on this one's a little bit off, but because I really enjoy these colors together, I'm going to keep this one, and I'm just gonna have another little go with the colors, maybe with a bit of a swipe or something, because yeah, don't mind that. All right, same colors. I'm just going to do a split base bloom. I'm going to try my best to get the rest of that show pony out, but maybe I should try a smaller. Nah, I'll be right. Won't forget the pillow this time. So one side will have the teal. Okay, cad yellow light. Honeycomb. Magenta. Whoa, that just literally slipped out of my hand. I don't know what's going on here, but we're going to be lucky if this spins out and I get it all covered.